independent freight dispatcher, and documenting all of the steps that I took, and creating videos in regards to the next steps after forming your business, and how to move forward. So this video will be in regards to requesting a EIN number. The EIN number is similar to a social security number, but it will solely be for your business, and also discuss business banking. So again, I started my journey in December of 2020, of formulating my business. I didn't open the business until January 1st of 2021, in which I was trying to get all of my administrative documents and everything in place. Independent freight dispatching is not easy. There will be some ups and some downs. There will be some $0 weeks, and there will be some high dollar weeks. So just to get into this video, again, we will be discussing getting the EIN number as well as business banking. So in the two previous videos, there was a step-by-step video in regards to all of the things that you would need to start your dispatching company. The videos that will be following after, which is one of these videos, this video, will be an elaboration on getting that stuff in order and being able to start. So again, the first video was in regards to a step-by-step. The second video was in regards to forming your business entity, and this video will be in regards to business banking and requesting an EIN number. So you can request an EIN number with the IRS. It is free. Majority of the time, they don't require that your business entity be formed already before you can request the EIN number. However, I do recommend that you go ahead and form the business entity first, being that the name that you choose, it may be taken already. And in the event that you request an EIN number for a business name that's already taken, you won't have to double back and request a new EIN number within your state. Well, it's federal, but if the name isn't taken in your state, but it's taken federally, then you will have to request a new EIN number. So I would recommend that you go ahead and form your business entity by choosing your business name and filing it with your Secretary of State, and then going into the IRS website and requesting a EIN number. Again, the EIN number is similar to a social security number, but it will solely be for your business only. In regards to business banking, when I first started out, I started out with Navy Federal business banking. PayPal would not allow me to link my Navy Federal to my account for invoicing. So I had to get another bank. So I would recommend having two banks. The second bank that I chose is BB&T. The only reason why I chose another bank was for the sole reason that PayPal did not allow me to invoice out through Navy Federal. It wouldn't let me link that bank in order for me to cash out. To cash out my invoices. So that's when I went and opened up a second bank at BB&T for my business. The reason why you need to request the EIN number first, again, that's like the social security number. So when you're opening the business bank account, you will need that EIN number in order to open your business banking account. So again, I do recommend that you have at least two different banks, because some of the merchant accounts may not allow you to link one or the other. It will just be better to be versatile to have more than one. Also, one of them I allow money to come in, and the other one I use for bills, allow money to go out. So that, again, that's why I recommend that you have more than one bank when you're starting out. Further down the line, you can add more banks if you're scaling up and you have like payroll or something like that you want to come solely out of one account, or if you have like fuel maintenance, overhead costs or something like that. That's for like trucking companies. But if you have any overhead costs as a independent freight dispatcher and you want it to come, all of the expenses to come out of one account and all the money to flow into another account, that will help you kind of separate things and keep them in order. Also, needing a business bank account is to not blend your business things with your personal expenses. It can be kind of hard when you were like for tax purposes. This is my first year, so I haven't filed taxes. I won't file taxes until 2022. However, when it comes to the end of the year, if you have a business bank account separated from your personal expenses, it'll be easier for your tax preparer, or if you're using like QuickBooks or something, it'll be easier for you to file your taxes if you have those things separate. That concludes this video. Again, I will put a link in the bottom for the IRS government website of requesting a EIN number. Also, I chose BB&T and Navy Federal for the two banks that I chose when I first start out. As I elaborate more, I will share with you all what I'm elaborating on in regards to adding more banks, if I do add more banks. However, I did choose BB&T and Navy Federal. If you don't have access to Navy Federal, if you know of someone that has access, they can get you access into Navy Federal. I presently don't have the comments on, so I personally don't share my access code unless it's with people that I know personally. Otherwise, if you know someone that has Navy Federal, they can share their access code with you and to get you into Navy Federal. Again, until next time.